Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully you are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, I would like to thank the honorable teacher who gave me a chance to say something in front of you. Today, I want to share my half-yearly exam experience with you. My half-yearly exam was held at 2nd June 2022. At first, I was so much excited, nervous and afraid. Even I was still afraid after sitting in the exam hall seat. After getting question, I felt happy. I answered all questions perfectly. In fact, I have a great experience with my English Viva voyage. I went to the Viva board and the teacher asked me a couple of questions. I was fluent to answer all of these on the time. I was too confident. No more today. Thanks for patient sharing. See you later. Have a good day and bye.